Personally, I'm yet to recover from the shock that I suffered while appearing in the Dr. Besigye treason case court yesterday. Justice Baguma Emmanuel ordered that the first witness to testify against Dr. Besigye and Haji Obed Kamlegea be brought to court after tomorrow, that is 11th June 2026. Now, what shocked us and everyone, what shocked me and everyone that was in case, is that the law talks about the defense team being given ample time to prepare themselves. But here we are, Baguma has just given a day to the defense team to go through the 800-page evidence submitted by the state, analyze it, discuss it with their clients who are in Luzira prison. Baguma has just given a day to the defense team on top of the 800-page evidence submitted by the prosecutors to go through a 7 hours long audio, which was also presented allegedly as evidence against the accused. Now, ladies and gentlemen, is it really possible for the defense team within a day to analyze, read, interpret 800 pages, listen to 7 hours of audio, and then discuss it with their clients? Of course not. That is not possible. Under normal circumstances, or how the procedure usually is, before the trial begins, the assessors and their credentials are supposed to be presented to the defense team. Now, that one also has not been done. Now, yesterday, as the judge was blocking the lawyers from presenting their case and defending their clients, Dr. Besigye decided, as a man, of course, as a fighter, to present the case himself. When Dr. Besigye started submitting, Justice Baguma stormed out of court and didn't even give Dr. Besigye time, to make his case. He didn't even listen to him. Now, in this court, Baguma spends the biggest percentage of his time quarreling, exchanging, and intimidating the defense team. So, ladies and gentlemen, as PFF, we are not simply going to watch as Dr. Besigye is being tortured. We are not going to simply watch as Dr. Besigye is being unfairly treated in Baguma's court case. And therefore, tomorrow on Wednesday at 10 a.m., we are going to gather at Katonga, our PFF headquarters, and pronounce ourselves on the next course of action. Please be present.